Hello everyone, welcome to my physics class. Today's topic is physical quantities and measurement. In this video lecture we discuss about physical quantity and measurement, which is in chapter 2. This chapter deals with need for standard units of measurement, measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of time, measurement of temperature and measurement of area. Before discussing all these things, first let us know what is physical quantities. What are physical quantities? All the measurable quantities are known as physical quantity. The physical quantities which can be measured are known as physical quantity. For example, we can measure the mass of a stone. So mass is a measurable quantity. We can measure the length of a stick. Length is a measurable quantity, so it is a physical quantity. We can measure the temperature of a human body, so temperature is also a physical quantity. Now we discuss about need for the standard unit of measurement. In the ancient time, when the people used to live in the caves, used to live in jungles, at that time people used their body parts to measure the length of different objects. They use the length of their arm, footstep, sticks, handspan to measure the distance or length of an object. And we know that the length of the body parts varies from person to person. For example, the length of a handspan of a taller man is longer than the length of the headspan of a shorter man. So the length of the body parts varies from person to person. It means that the length of the body part is different from person to person. So we cannot accurately measure the length of an object using the body parts. For example, if we measure the length of a stick using handspan by two persons, one person is taller and another one is shorter, you will observe that their handspan varies, so the length of the stick is different for the taller man and for the shorter man. So in order to measure the different quantities accurately, a system of measurement which is accepted all over the world as a standard unit was established. So scientists have established standard unit of measurement for various quantities. For example, for the measurement of length, a ruler or a scale is marked with standard units. So measurements made using a ruler don't vary with the person who is measuring the length. For example, if we measure the length of a room using a scale which is marked with standard units, remains the same while measuring the length of a room using two scales which have of standard units for measuring length. Let us consider we first measure the length of the room by scale 1 and let the length of the room be 36 centimeter. Now again measure the length of the room using scale 2 which has also standard units for measuring length, and if we measure the length of the room using the second scale, we get the length of the room is 36 centimeter, that is same. So there is no change, no different in measurement of length using a device which is marked with standard units for measuring length. But if we measure the length of the same room by the hands of the two person, then we observe the length of the room will be different for different person. So we do not get the accurate measurement of the length of the room. But while we are using a scale for measuring the length of the room, we get the accurate measurement of the length of this room. So to measure the length of an object, accurately, a standard unit is required for measuring the length of the object. So a physical quantity is expressed by using two components. Two components are required for the measurement of a physical quantity is expressed using two components. One is magnitude and another one is unit. Magnitude is the numerical value which expresses how many times the unit is contained in that physical quantity. A unit in which the physical quantity is measured. For example, 36 centimeter length of a room. Length of a room. Let length of a room is 36 centimeter. Here length is the physical quantity and the measurement of length consists of two parts. One is magnitude and another one is unit. Here 36 is the magnitude. 36 is the numerical value. So 36 is the magnitude of the measurement of the physical quantity and centimeter is the standard unit of measurement. So we can say that a physical quantity can be expressed using two components. One is magnitude and another one is unit. Measurement of length. Length is the distance between 2 points. The standard unit of length is meter. Measurement of length. Let us consider 2 points A and B. The distance between these 2 points, is the length of this line segment AB. The distance between the 2 points A and B is the length of this line segment AB. And the standard unit of length is meter. Standard unit of length is meter. The unit used for measurement of larger distances such as distance between your home and school is kilometer. To measure the length of larger distances, we use units such as kilometer. Unit of length is used to express height of a person or a cupboard, etc. are inches or foot. Some of the smaller units of length used to measure smaller length such as length of a pencil are. Suppose let us measure the length of a pencil. The length of a pencil is measured in the unit centimeter, which is abbreviated as cm, and millimeter, which is abbreviated as millimeter, which is abbreviated as mm, and centimeter, which is abbreviated as cm. The length of the smaller objects are measured in units centimeter, millimeter, but the length of the larger distances is measured using the unit kilometer. Now discuss about the name of unit and their symbol. Centimeter, units of length, centimeter and its symbol is cm. Meter, its symbol is m. Kilometer, its symbol is km. Inch, its symbol is, look at its symbol. Foot, its symbol is ft. Conversion of unit of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. 1 inch is equal to 2.5 for centimeter. For accurate and precise measurement, there are fraction of inches and centimeters marked on the ruler. In the centimeter scale, of the ruler, distance between two bigger lines. These are the distance between, this is one bigger line, this is one bigger line, and this is another bigger line. The distance between two bigger line is 1 centimeter. This is one bigger line and this is another bigger line. And the distance between these two bigger line is 1 centimeter, and the centimeter is abbreviated as cm. Smaller lines between 2 centimeter lines represent millimeters. Between two larger lines, there are 10 smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Between these two, this is one larger line and this is another larger line. And the distance between these two larger line is 1 centimeter, and the 1 centimeter distance is divided into 10 smaller lines. It contains 10 smaller lines. The distance between 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, and each equal part represents 1 millimeter. It means that the length of 1 centimeter contains 10 small division. Each small division represents 1 millimeter. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. In the inch scale of the ruler, the distance between two consecutive larger line is 1 inch. You see, this is a larger line and this is another larger line. And between the distance between, or the length between these two larger line is 1 inch. There are 16 smaller lines between the two consecutive inch lines. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 smaller lines between the two consecutive inch lines. The 8th line represents the half inch. These fractions are marked for more accuracy. Following points needs to be remembered while measuring the length of an object with a ruler. The ruler should be placed along the length of the object to be measured. See, we should place the ruler along the length of the object to be measured. This is the right position for the measurement of the scale for the measurement of the length of an object. This is the wrong position. The ruler's 0 mark should be placed at one end of the object to be measured. You see, this is the 0 mark of the ruler which is placed at one end of the object whose length is to be measured. The mark corresponding to the other end of the object gives the length of the object, and this is the another end of the object, and the mark corresponding to the other end of the object gives the length of the object. If the edge of the ruler is broken, measure from any appropriate mark, say 1 centimeter. If you start measuring from 1 centimeter instead of 0, then subtract 1 centimeter from the final reading. For example, if the final reading is 6 centimeter, then actual length will be 6 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. While taking the reading, keep your eyes vertically above or in the line with the reading of the object as shown in the figure. You should have to keep your eyes vertically above or in the line with the reading of the object. Any deviation from this position will give a wrong measurement of an error in the measurement. This is due to the thickness of the ruler and is known as the error due to parallax. Such kind of errors are called parallax error. Now let us consider marking with big number as centimeter, that is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. This represents centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Use the marked half between the big numbered, making as half r. This 1 centimeter, half centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 half centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 half centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 half centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 half centimeter. Similarly, use the smallest division of the marking for millimeters. You see here 1 centimeter, between the length of 1 centimeter contains 10 small division. It means that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Keep 0 mark of the measuring tape at one end of the object. Now look at the point where the tape meets the other end of the object you are measuring. Note the nearest number before the object ends. Now count the number of division and subdivision between the points. This is the number of division, that is 32, 33, 34, 33, number of division of 33, and 6 smaller divisions. The reading on the tape is 33 centimeters and 6 smaller division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the measurement will be 33.6 centimeter. This is all about the measurement of length. In the next class, the next video lecture, we discuss about measurement of mass. Thank you.